Welcome back, watch addicts. Today is the 17th of March and my watch gang watch has turned up. So this is the black tier. So let's see what we've got. Is it going to be the good, the bad or the ugly? Or is it just going to be a disgrace? So anyway, let's get down to business. Let's cut it open. In here. Oop. What have we got? Oh, right. So we got 20% off. Oh, before I forget, wristwatch check. We're in my Steel Dive SD 1940. Love this little watch. Screw down crown, automatic movement, Seiko movement in it. Brilliant little watch. Anyway, let's get down to business. So what have we upside down? Right, what have we got here? A Dominator Del Mar. Never heard of him. Anyway, let's have a look. See what it is. So this one is, you see it, DD8012-02. Squish box. So it will be squashed, wouldn't it? Because it's coming from America. Anyway, let's right, let's have a look. Are you ready? 1, 2. Is it good, bad or ugly? 3. It's green. But saying it's green. Oh. All the manuals and what have you. Well, stuck on there. The warranty card, not even signed. So anyway, this is the watch itself. Let's see if we can get this plastic off. So we got a chrono. It's a quartz chrono. Actually doesn't look that bad. Let's get the light over onto it. So it doesn't look too bad. But is that supposed to be running, or is something else supposed to be running? Oh, so yeah, so the chrono's actually working. Yeah, works fine. Oh, well, it's a green dial. Does it line up? No, it doesn't line up properly. Fortunately, it doesn't line up properly. Well, it's as bad as some Seikos. Oh, no, that's too much. So, and that's very stiff. So you've got like 120 click bezel. No, it doesn't even line up properly. Obviously it's a dud. Well, you know, it still doesn't look too bad. Yeah, probably look nicer in a different colour. Why they chose green, I do not know. Well, I know why they chose green. Because nobody wants to buy the green watches, so they get them cheap. But anyway, this is the Watch Gang watch. Not as good as some of them that I've had, but you know, it's not too bad. Let's get a bit more of a close up. Get that light over a little bit more here. Well, as you can see, bezel definitely doesn't line up properly with it. Is that lined up? No, it's actually gone past it. So bezel doesn't line up, so I reckon these are probably a second. These are probably seconds, these. Excuse the pun. Well, it's ticking away, so obviously it's a quartz watch. Not a screw down crown. Hacking screw down case back. All stainless steel, water resistant, 10 atoms. It's only 100 meters water resistant, which doesn't surprise me. But yeah, it's not if it was in a different colour it'd probably be alright, but I just don't like green dials and green bezels on watches. You know, but anyway, that's March's watch. Has come a little bit earlier than I thought it would. So hope you lot like it. I have got a little bit of surprise for you, which I'll show you in a second or two. And then I will be doing my State of the Collection Part 4 soon. And then a 5 in a couple of months. Like I say, I have got a lot of watches. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to put them on. And then you can see I basically built it, so you'll be able to see what I've built. I'm going to get all my watches on it together. I'll get some video footage of it and post it up on YouTube. Anyway, this is March's black sub. It's okay, it's not fantastic. It probably will get some wrist time actually. I probably will wear it, but it would have been nicer in black or grey. Well, anyway, that's the watch, and I'll show you what I've made. Okay, so these are the stands I've made to put my watches on. As you can see, there is a lot on there. I did have to buy all them watch stands, but the shelves themselves I actually made myself. So when I get a chance I'll put all my watches on, take a picture. But we'll be doing State of the Collection Part 4 quite soon, and then you can see some more of my watches. So anyway, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon.